yeah, let's get into it. Okay, it's giving. Hey y'all, so today we have another review and unboxing of an Amazon wig. This company is You and Me Hair on Amazon. I'll put their picture right there, their logo right there, so y'all can see it. This is the Amazon wig, so of course for me it shipped to Amazon Prime. Came in this little Amazon bag, literally shipped in like a day and a half, like 2 days. It shipped really fast. So this is the box the wig came in. It says "You're my best gift." Real cute little pink marble design with little gold trim, and then it has the barcode, and it says straight lace front wig, natural color, 24 inches, made in China. So yeah. Then they had it sealed up for extra protection. It says ONETIDE, 100% human hair. So I guess this company goes by ONETIDE as well. I think that's what it says on Amazon, is ONETIDE. But they also go by You and Me, but I think the main name for it is ONETIDE. So this is ONETIDE hair from Amazon. This bag says ONETIDE. You know, a little cute little wig bag. I always get excited when I see these little bags because I just know it's gonna be a cute wig inside. Like 100% human hair. It says the same thing it said on the box. Your beauty and our duty. Okay. Okay, so let me show y'all what came in the box. This is what the box looks like. Came with 2 wig caps. I'm always appreciative of that because we always need wig caps for our installs. And then it came with this little card. It says ONETIDE. This is a really cute card, like, you know, that's so cute. So that's what's in the box, y'all. The box is so cute. I love the packaging. I just love like little thoughtful cute stuff like this. Like, it's so cute. And then the wig is tea, so check it out. It looks like this. Of course I did already look at it before this video, but I'm unboxing it so you all can see the unboxing process. Looks like this, and you think it's a short wig, and then it unfolds like that. Yeah. So this is the top of the wig, and then this is the bottom. See what it says? Size 24 inches. So this is what the wig is looking like. This is how long it's looking. And even at the bottom of the bag, it still like curves around. Taking it out the bag, the little hairnets on it. It's so soft already, y'all. Like, I'm not getting any shedding at all. One strand, and the hair feels so good. Like, ugh. And look at the luster. That looks like some good quality hair if you ask me, and it's long. Like, okay, so take off the wig cap. Looks like that. Just put this in there for you, and then this is what the lace is looking like. One thing I will say about this wig that I already love about this wig is that they give you actual lace. When it says 13x4, they're giving you that much. They're not doing it where the middle part is lace and then only like the little side part is out. You know what I'm talking about. They're doing it so that you can do like a deep part with this wig. So if I wanted a part all the way on this side, the lace goes back that far, so I could part it all the way on this side of my head. So show y'all again that. That's what the lace is looking like. Pretty sure that's 4 inches exact. It starts right here, it ends right here. So yeah, that's about 4 inches, y'all. Like I said, I'm not getting any shedding from the hair. I'm not getting any shedding. that's actually really good. Like, a lot of the times from these wigs, I mean, I be getting a little bit of shedding, so I usually do expect that, but this hair looks really good. And you can see the shine in the light. Like, I haven't washed the hair or anything. This is straight out the box. So let me show y'all what the knots look like. I don't think this is a HD or transparent lace, because the lace is a little kind of thick and then the lace is white, so I don't think it's transparent. Yeah, look at it on my hand. That's what the lace is looking like up close. Okay. I think this wig is pretty much true to length. That looks like 24 inches to me. That looks like 24 inches, you know. And what I do like is that the ends aren't really thin. Like, it still stays pretty full throughout the ends. So I really cannot wait to install this hair, y'all. Like, I'm so excited. I'm literally so excited. And I really just can't even stop touching the hair because it's so soft. Like, so yeah. This is it. This is 150 density. 24 inches, 13 by 4 lace. It has clips in here, 1, 2, 3, and then one more right there. And just like any other wig, there's these also 2 little clips right here that you can use to tighten your wig. And yeah, this is what it's looking like, guys. So I mean, straight after that, considering I haven't plucked or bleached anything, washed it or anything, I would give this wig 8.5 out of 10. Okay, this is my second Amazon wig and I'm impressed thus far. So this wig is also from Amazon. This wig here is from Veronica Hair, if you guys are wondering. I did a review and unboxing on this wig as well. If you guys want to look at that, I'll put the link, put a little link right here too, so y'all can go there. And yeah, I have a video of me installing this hair as well if y'all want to see that. So yeah. Okay, it's giving. Yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, the hair looks really good. Oh my god, the hair is so soft, silky, bouncy. Look at that. Look at the luster, like. And then 24 inches. I think this is giving 24 inches. Like, it's pretty long. And I'm tall, y'all. I'm like 5'7", so. Yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all. Like, yeah, get into it. It eats every time. So y'all, this is the final look. This is what it's giving. Okay, the hair looks really good. Y'all see the length. See if I can show y'all. Keep in mind, I'm like 5'7", so. Yeah, this is 24 inches, but it's going to my butt, so. That's what it looks like. Look at the lace. Okay. This hair is so pretty. It's super soft, y'all. Y'all see the luster, the length, the bundles are silky. Like, you can look at it and tell. Like, you can literally look at it and see the quality in this hair. The lace. It's giving. And I'm not getting a lot of shedding either. I've been running my hands through this hair since I straightened it because it's so soft. I'm not getting any shedding. No shedding. Tuck it behind, it's cute, you know. I'll probably style it and do like a side part, or maybe do like a little updo with a bang, but this is how I decided to style it for tonight, and I think it came out like really cute. So yeah, y'all can see I'm feeling it. Okay, it gets super flat. Y'all see the wig gets super flat, and even though I did cut some of the lace off, I mean the part still looks really good. The lace is not super thin up there. All I did was pluck a little bit right here, so that looks good. It's true to length, and yeah, I really do like this hair, y'all. I really do. So close up on the lace. One thing about lace is lace, okay? Like, it's not transparent lace, it's not HD lace, it's a regular lace. So I mean, up close you're gonna see it, but as long as you blend it and put makeup on it, you're good. Like, you know what I mean? It gives, it eats, like. So yeah, this is the hair. Y'all better run, not walk to get it. This hair is tea. I love this hair. Like, I don't even know what else to say besides I love it. I just keep saying I love it because I love this hair. Like, yeah, get into it. So again, just to go over everything, this is a 13x4 24-inch straight human hair. I'm assuming Brazilian wig. I'll have the link in the description, and this is 150 density. Okay, and this wig was only $111, y'all. So definitely run, don't walk to get this wig. It shipped in 2 days with Amazon Prime. It really shipped in like a day and a half, 2 days with Amazon Prime. And yeah, this hair is everything. Like, I definitely recommend this hair, and I give this hair 8.5 out of 10.